whispers from the Baobab. Are you tied down by generational chains? Listen to me. There is a name above every name. Receive your freedom today.
Simba Rezita RaJesu.
Every shackle must break today.
I am free.
Oh yes,
I am free.
Oh,
no more bondage, no more delay.
Generational curses saying you will never marry. Financial blockages, burdens too heavy to carry. They tied your progress in the secret of the night, but the fire of the Holy Ghost has brought it to the light. Man cannot lock the door that God has opened wide. Stand up on your feet, the King is on your side.
Chain breaker,
that is your name.
Waymaker,
you are still the same.
Simba Rezita RaJesu.
Every shackle must break today.
I am free.
Oh yes,
I am free.
Oh,
no more bondage, no more delay.
sickness is leaving your body right now. The heavy dark cloud has to clear from your brow. What took your parents 40 long years to achieve, God is doing it in 40 short days. You believe, break out of the prison,
Break out of the fear.
your season of supernatural acceleration is here.
Chains of poverty,
Break,
chains of delay,
break,
chains of stagnation.
Simba Rezita